If I could be anybody, I would be you. Maybe I'd understand the things that you do. Stuck at a costume party, dressed in your shoes. If I could have anybody, you know that it would be you. And I get this feeling in my chest, and you're not here now to offset it. All the memories I can't suppress, poured into my heart like cement.